I'm currently outside a house in a rural area in an olive grove in Kafir Tal in western Aleppo. This house was bombed by Russian allied forces, and inside were 7 children, 2 parents and a friend, and all of them died. 10 people were killed, including 7 children. When you look inside the house, you can see the carpets, you can see the heater, you can see phone chargers, you can see everything in its place, which showed that this was just a family house in a rural area. These people are farmers, and there's olive trees and tractors in this area. And when you look inside, you can just see the devastation. Glass has been broken, the walls have been torn apart. There is still a charger connected in the wall for someone to charge their phone, and there's a clock on the ground. I'm not sure if this is correct, but this might have been the time that the airstrike happened. Outside here is the bathroom and the kitchen. Inside the bathroom, you can see there are fancy tiles on the ground, but it's all destroyed. And on this side we have the kitchen. While walking through the kitchen, I realized a man sitting outside. It was the father of the family friend who also died in the attack.
من امبارح حوالي الساعة 11:30 اجت طيارة حربية ضربة صاروخ هون. كان في عائلة كاملة موجودة هون، طاروا كلهم، ما عرفنا حدا من حدا، لميناهم أشلاء، عبينا شيء تقريبا نص كيس، دفناهم كلهم مع بعضهم، وبعد ما دفناهم رجعنا لقينا الأشلاء من الطائرة أبعد من 100 متر، لمينا شيء كيس ثاني. لسه على الريس، لسه أغراض عرسك نحن، لسه أغراض عرسه جدد، والله لسه على الريس، والله لسه على الريس.